How many rulers do you have that you use in your workshop on a daily basis? These are my favorite measuring tools and rulers in no particular order. We have a 60-inch metal ruler, a 48-inch metal ruler, and a wooden yardstick that I like to use to smooth out fabrics, and a nice bright metal yardstick. We have a large L square and a small L square in a pretty orange color. And we have an 18-inch metal ruler, a 12-inch metal ruler that is well worn and loved. We have several 6-inch rulers, which come in very handy. So I keep one at each sewing machine and one in my bucket full of drapery hooks, and one at the table, one by the iron. They're very handy. We have a metal speed square and a lightweight plastic speed square. We have here a 24-inch metal ruler, a 25-foot tape measure, 12-foot tape measure, and a brand new unopened 25-foot tape measure with a magnetic end. That's exciting. We have a 1-inch ruler that is blown up so you can see exactly where each mark on the ruler is and what it stands for in a fraction and in a decimal. So this is a handy resource when you're figuring your pinch pleats, or you're looking at ordering rods and rings and you want to know if the ring is going to fit the rod. All kinds of good uses for that. And we have a plastic quilting ruler. This is a 24-inch by 6-inch quilting ruler. And of course the quilting mat right here helps sometimes when cutting things like welt in small pieces. And we have the soft tape measure in my favorite color, pink. And of course the biggest measuring tool that we have on the table today is the actual table. So this is a very handy tool that I cannot live without, and I use it every day for many, many different reasons. So that's I wouldn't say that's my favorite, but I definitely have it high up on the list. What is your favorite ruler that you could not live without? Or two?